Today's video is in collaboration with Team Seas. Mark Rober and MrBeast have started a new initiative called Team Seas, which aims to remove trash from the ocean, and every single dollar donated means 1 pound of trash removed from oceans, lakes, and rivers. They have asked content creators around the world to create videos to promote awareness about Team Seas, and so today I'll be building a mini PC and playing games on it, but underwater. And by underwater, I mean in mineral oil. Mineral oil is a non-conductive liquid that also dissipates heat well, meaning that it can cool your PC much faster than traditional methods. So just for fun, I wanted to create a PC that would allow you to easily take it to the beach while being submerged in liquid. The problem with putting a PC in mineral oil is that it takes a long time to clean off after you take the PC out, so I'm using this. You may recognize it from a previous video as the Chromebox I used to install macOS on. The first step was to strip down the PC to the bare bones components. All I really wanted was the motherboard, RAM, storage, and power button from the PC. The rest of the PC I will throw away or e-waste. The Chromebox was slightly difficult to take apart and required a little bit of elbow grease, but the casing came off pretty easily enough, and I was able to snap off most of the plastic parts. Then I had to remove the PC from the metal housing, and now I'm just left with the PC. At the beginning of the video, I did say that I wanted the PC to be something that you could bring to the beach with a generator or something similar, and so to achieve this, I found an old jar that would not only fit the PC and the mineral oil, but also had a carrying handle at the top. The power button for the PC is actually a separate piece, so I cut a hole in the jar, threaded the power button wires through, and used some hot glue to cover up the hole. And now it's time to fill it up with a little bit of mineral oil to test. And it boots. Now we can set up our PC and fill the entire jar with mineral oil. Now, one of the biggest problems in the oceans is oil spills. Not only do oil spills contaminate the water, it also blocks sunlight for photosynthetic plants, it suffocates fish, and also forms a thick sludge in the water, causing it to build up in marine birds' feathers. So if you are planning to do a project like this, please remember to dispose of oil properly. You can put it in a tight container and dispose of it in the trash, or find a waste disposal company to help you take care of it properly. And now it's time to fill up the entire PC and test it out. I'm gonna try to play an easy to run game for a little bit and see how it performs. Now today's video is in collaboration with Team Seas. Team Seas wants to help fight ocean pollution by pledging to remove 1 pound of trash for every dollar donated. Now already there's a lot of cool tech out there to help fight pollution in the oceans. For example, there are big autonomous machines that work through a conveyor belt system, there are small buckets that collect trash and oil from the ocean, and of course there are regular people out there on the ocean scooping up trash with big nets. The ocean is really important to human life, and not only because it houses food sources for us, but for a variety of other reasons. For example, phytoplankton in the ocean are responsible for an estimated 50 to 80% of the oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. And take those away and the climate change problem becomes a whole lot worse. The ocean also transports heat, which regulates our climate and weather patterns, and keeping the oceans clean is also important for tourism. Imagine going to a beach hotel only to find that there's loads of trash and sewage that's washed up on the beach. If you would like to help, consider donating $1 or even more if you wish to Team Seas. You can also look at helping out with beach cleanups near your area, and always the best idea is to help raise awareness within your own community. All right, thank you for watching. Stay safe and go Team Seas.